This is the Spirit Junkie Oracle deck, a 52-card affirmation and guidance set created by New York Times best-selling spiritual author Gabrielle Bernstein and illustrated by Michaela Ezra, published by Hay House. This deck is designed to give you inspirational messages and energetic support for daily life, growth, and inner confidence. Each card in the deck features beautiful watercolor-style illustrations with soft, celestial, and floral motifs that feel gentle, uplifting, and inviting. The art leans into dreamy skies, blooming shapes, sparkles, and organic textures, all designed to evoke openness, trust, and a sense of connection to something larger. Each card pairs its illustration with a positive affirmation or message, things like trusting your intuition, stepping into your unique power, and choosing love over fear. These are direct, empowering prompts that can serve as a focus for meditation, journaling, or just your morning draw. The messages are designed to support intuition, self-trust, and spiritual growth. One of this deck's biggest strengths is how usable it is in everyday life. I use it as part of my daily ritual. I pull a card in the morning to set an intention, or sometimes I use it also when I need a boost of confidence or clarity. The affirmations are clear, uplifting, and often feel timely and supportive. I think this deck goes beyond generic positive quotes. It's a great choice if you want a deck that feels like a daily spiritual companion. Recommend.